Every company has an operating model, the daily costs of doing business that aren't tied directly to making a product, like rent, salaries, and marketing. While they might not be as glamorous as revenue, these costs are a critical part of a company's strategy. The choices a company makes about these expenses can either lead to massive successes or even bankruptcy. This video will explore three companies that built their success by rethinking their operating costs. Let's start with Ryanair, the European airline that became the best imitation of Southwest Airlines. When it first started, Ryanair tried to be everything to everyone and it failed. So they decided to completely change their strategy. Their goal? To become the lowest cost airline possible, the Walmart of flying. They became masters of the cost cutting model. First, they flew only one type of plane, the Boeing 737, which drastically cut down on maintenance and training costs. They also chose to fly to smaller regional airports, which were far cheaper than major hubs. This decision was a big leap of faith, but it paid off, as these airports were eager for traffic and offered huge discounts. They also made the process as efficient as possible. They encouraged customers to book tickets online, saving them from paying commissions to travel agents. On the planes, they even removed window shades and seat back pockets to reduce weight and speed up turnover times. They showed that by taking a machete to costs, you can lower prices and attract a whole new group of customers.
Now let's look at the complete opposite approach. Oberoi Hotels didn't succeed by cutting costs, they succeeded by adding them. Oberoi's strategy is to provide a luxurious experience for discerning guests. This means constantly looking for ways to add amenities, not trim them. They built spas for massages, added heated swimming pools, and hired specialized staff to pamper their guests. These additions all increase the operating costs, but they are central to the customer experience they want to deliver. By bundling more and more luxurious services into their offering, they can charge a premium price and attract customers who are willing to pay for the very best. Our final case, Domino's Pizza, shows a different path, using technology to create productivity gains. Their idea was to take a traditional business, fast food delivery, and make its most costly resource far more efficient. Domino's invested heavily in digital platforms, turning their app and website into powerful ordering engines. Over 75% of their orders now come through digital channels, which drastically reduces labor costs and order errors. They also automated key parts of the kitchen, from smart ovens, ingredient dispensers, to streamlined workflows, allow them to produce pizzas faster and with fewer staff. This means lower labor costs and higher throughput. But Domino's didn't stop there. They built a GPS enabled delivery tracking system that optimized routes and reduced delivery times. This not only improved customer satisfaction but also made their fleet more efficient. By making labor, logistics, and customer interaction dramatically more productive, Domino's created a breakthrough operating model that delivers speed, consistency, and scale without sacrificing quality. So, what do these three companies teach us? Reiner shows us the power of focus. Strip away the non essentials, and you can deliver unbeatable cost efficiency. Oberoi Hotels reveals the power of service. When every touchpoint is designed to delight, you create loyalty that satisfies premium pricing. And Domino's Pizza demonstrates the power of productivity. By using technology to make labor, logistics, and customer interaction radically more efficient, they have scaled faster and smarter than their competitors. Three very different models, but each one shows how a breakthrough operating model, when aligned with a clear value proposition, can redefine performance.